Hey guys, today we're making something super special. I don't think I've ever seen anybody make it before. And I'm going to talk a little loud because I didn't feel like hitting my microphone. So I have 3 cans of this chunky sirloin burger with country vegetables. 3 of these. Some rice. Some tortillas. So the idea, I'm going to throw the rice down, and then we're going to throw down the chunky soup over it. I'll probably use all the juices from the first one. I don't know how much is going to be in there, but I'll try to drain out the others into this. And I'll move it around so it's stiff enough so I can throw it into these tortillas, roll them up, and fry them up. Not fry them up, but cook them up a little bit. So anyway, let's see how this goes. Let me finish getting things ready and we'll be right back. Alright, start out with some rice. Usually I'll use rice from the Instant Pot, but we had some minute rice sitting around. Go birds. So we just made it up quick on the stove, and then I sat it in the fridge for a little while. It is a lot less sticky than the Instant Pot rice. Can't seem to get it down. So, and add a little salt and pepper. Now this rice is already cooked, as I said, but just going to roll it around a little bit here, maybe brown it up. Right now everything's on high. Alright, we have a little mountain going here. These are a little saucy. Let's start out with one. Got chunks of meat in there. It says it's sirloin. Who really knows? Start stirring one in and see how it turns out. Yeah, we're gonna need at least 2. All right, now we got 3 cans. I tried to drain out some of the extra gravy. But it's super thick. Alright, you see it's starting to get thick. I think we're probably about the right consistency we want. So, I'm going to turn these 2 off over here. This one I just turned off a little bit ago. Move them over here. Let's warm these guys up a little bit. Alright, here we go. Let's take one, see how floppy it is. You know it's good to go. Going to take some of our meat here, bring in some of our filling. Try not to get too much. Want to make sure there's at least 1 piece of meat in here. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, I'm going to do this. There's too much meat in this one, but we can roll it like that. Up and down. Try it again here. Meat, potatoes, veggies, all in here. Was wrapping them up. sealing them up. Alright, so we made quite a few here, and then look at how much left we have over. I poured the rest of the sauce in here that I had drained out earlier, and I'll heat this up at some point and eat it. I know some people aren't a beef stew type person, but beef stew with rice like this, it's gonna be awesome. So let me finish cooking these up. Really just trying to seal them because it's already cooked, but let me finish these up and we'll go for the taste test. Alright, these are pretty good. I just took a bite out of one. I couldn't wait for you. Yeah, these are great to make. Super easy. Lots of extra soup left over. So I have that mixed in with rice in the fridge. Maybe heat that up, bring it to work tomorrow. But they're a little weird, but they're good. So you should make them. We'll see you next time. Leave your comments below.